Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you how to download voice messages you have sent or received on Facebook Messenger. As you may already know, Messenger does not allow you to download voice messages on your Android or iPhone, but you can download them using a Chrome extension on your desktop. To do that, open Google Chrome and then use the link in the description to add this extension to the browser. Once you have done that, simply open the Messenger voice message that you want to download. Now, click the Extensions button at the top. Then, select the Messenger voice message extension that you just added to your browser. As you can see, it automatically detects the Messenger voice message you have opened. You can click the play button to hear it if you want. Finally, click the download button next to your voice message to download the MP3 file to your computer. Let me know in the comments if this helped, and subscribe to Glitch Guru for more such tips.